Here we have a rendition of the A model from the classic LEGO Technic 8479 barcode multi-set. The original kit came with the CodePilot Smart Brick, an early Mindstorms-like system that had some built-in programs and could also respond to some routine scan with its barcode reader. It was able to perform multiple functions with this geared 9-volt motor and 2 touch sensor signals combined with the one input on the brick. The motor could also be swapped to a different position to power the wheels. My version is powered by a Mindstorms NXT unit and is constructed with the multicolored parts in my collection. Due to the bulkier NXT motors and sensors, I had to get a little creative with their placement and ended up fully gutting the cabin to place the NXT brick, as the motors took up most of the space where the CodePilot brick was supposed to go. I do not have the parts for a driving ring clutch system, so I used 2 separate motors, one for each the bed tipping and claw functions. I made changes to the gear ratios because I'm using different motors and because the gear trains in the original set required a lot of 24-tooth gears. I was still able to recreate the bed tipping claw lifting switch function. I do not have flex cable for the lifting claw, so I made do using studless beams from the NXT set and some of the link pieces. Lastly, for the speed sensor function, I used white studs on a 40-tooth gear to trigger my NXT light sensor so that the light sensor is not constantly running. I programmed this feature to activate using one of the NXT buttons.